process or wrong process. The body system throws it out. The kidneys are 100% normal. It is right to throw out this bad sugar from the blood. Still the bad sugar is circulating. So you can see the increased amount of blood in the sugar in the blood as well as in the sugar, as well as in the urine. Whether it's a normal one or an abnormal one. You don't have to be a doctor for this. Just assess in your mind. We are all better healers than the doctors who only doctor the meter. They will alter you. Your understanding ability is gone. Any person is a doctor except the doctor who has studied is devoid of common sense. You must be very careful in assessing a person. If it is suitable to my heart, the wisdom that is there as my wish, then I accept it. If it is contradictory to my heart, the wisdom, the blessing that I have in my heart, if it is contradictory, they are not only against me, they are against nature, not only that, they are against the God. Be empowered with the blessings of God. That godly feeling, goodly feeling is there in your heart. First thing we understood, don't give anti-fever medicine, it will cause febrile fits. When it diminishes the temperature, extinguishing the heat here and there, not uniformly, wherever there is a block, before and after, then the problem starts there. I gave only one example in the brain level, anywhere it can start. And thereafter you can start suffering organ ailments and organ dysfunction, finally organ failures. Your life is here. You believe there is life. You lose your heart, there is no life. The life is there in the heart, not in the pumping station, but the heart. Another name to the heart is there, manasa. Be mindful what is there in the heart. That is your life. Nothing more is your life. If everything happens according to my wish in my heart, then I want to live. If nothing happens, whatever I wish, the wish that I have in my heart, if it doesn't come out practically well, I am vexed with my life. I don't want my life. I might even hang myself, committing suicide. When nothing comes out practically well, whatever I have in my heart as my deepest wishes, for so long nothing happens. However hard I try, it doesn't happen, so I don't want to live. In this situation, even in your worst situations like suffering from any fever, when it is incurable, you may opt for mercy killing. You don't want to live. If only there is a way, there is life for you, then you want to live. My life is there, going ahead of me forever and forever. My body will die, my life will not die. The life departs, body definitely disintegrates. Now it is between the life and death. You want the life or you want the death? The life is here, the death is here in the brain. Whatever I see, whatever I hear, smell, touch and taste, this is my knowledge. The 5 special senses accumulates through observation to concretely place a knowledge in your brain. Input, that's the input. So whatever is visible, it has as knowledge. That visibility always heading towards a destruction. The moment it is created, it is pure. It is very glittering. After some time, the decaying starts. The moment you are born, you are pristine pure. After that, I am 1 year old, 2 year old, the oldage starts. You never get your pristine purity in terms of your energy condition until such time you maintain your life, or until such time you meet your death. Slowly degradation is taking place, slow degradation. Anything that is formed, it will disintegrate and it will deteriorate. A formation, a thing will deteriorate. What is invisible will accelerate your body. It will accelerate your life. Quality of life, that's important. Quantity is not important. I am now entering 57. Not a single medicine I had taken for the past 22 years. Not only me. My whole family members and thousands of family who have come to me for treatment, they are devoid of any medicine. In so many instances nowadays, who are under the belief system, they give birth to their children at home. They will never go to the doctors. No 10-month medication, poisoning the ongoing fetus, poisoning the mother also in the process, endangering the uterine condition. Later on, the uterine condition deteriorating into cyst formation and then cancer formation, and finally they remove the uterus. A lady goes to the doctor asking her to cure a disease in the uterus. But this doctor removes the uterus itself and says he has cured. The cure must take place while still the uterus is intact. Make it function properly and let the untoward feelings and the sufferings go. Let it come back to its normalcy again. But this doctor knows only to remove the uterus, nothing more she knows. She removes the uterus and then says that I have cured you, and I also accept that she has cured me. You are given so many tests, subjected to so many investigations. This investigation is necessary for the doctor or for you. Then why do you carry the report home? Why do you carry the report home? For the money you spent, at least this I can carry home. If this is our attitude, then the doctors are flourishing upon us. You throw the investigations on the doctor's table, say, I want a cure, I don't want the report. I don't want the report, you keep the report, don't give it to me, I'm not a doctor. You keep the report and give me the health I wanted. No doctor will ever subject you again for any investigation. Absolute frauds, you must understand. I was a fraud and I was a killer until 1986, as long as I was practicing allopathy. In the best sense, all along, I have been struggling with the professors. When I entered my 4th year of study, bacteriology, after the bacteriology, pathology. What is pathology? A cell, from the beginning of destruction to the end of destruction, is pathology, the process of pathology. They call it pathogenesis. Pathos means suffering or destruction. The process of destruction is called pathology. What causes the destruction is the real force behind, right? What causes the destruction is the real force behind. Suppose I hold a paper and it is hanging still. I wave with a fan and it starts trembling and moving. Yes, it is moving. It is not standing still. It is wavering. Now I know it is fluttering. Something is wrong. I see here, science sees this, but not the force that is causing it. All the scientific approach are materialistic and they have nothing to have anything concrete as evidential concepts. They have the thesis and hypothesis of pure imagination. Any thesis, any hypothesis is not only imagination but is hallucination. Nothing is true. We are being mesmerized. The louder the talk, the more we hear, the easier we are lost in the deepest of woods. Thereafter, even a small light, I want to hold on to it, but that light is not my way. Find out from your own instincts and intuition what I should follow now. The pathology is, as the fan is running faster and faster, this movement is getting stronger and finally it is torn. That is pathology. The destruction, beginning of destruction to the end of destruction is pathology. Once the destruction has started, you are not going to do anything about it. The energy lines, energy force is now gaining momentum unless you stop this momentum. This is acupuncture.